Alright, this is the last part of our class earlier. So let's have practice now number 4. A telecommunications service provider charges $30 for a mobile plan offering 2 gigabyte of data monthly. So this is just like TrueMove, AAS, DTAC, and whatsoever mobile telecommunications service you have here in Thailand. So like for example, you pay 999 for 6 gigabyte of data, but here in this situation right now you pay $30 for a month, and that is gonna be 2 gigabyte that you can use. However, it doesn't mean that you finish 2 gigabyte you cannot use it anymore. In other countries they like let the customer use up whatever data he or she wants to use, and they just charge extra for it. For example, here, given that a customer is charged $12 for every gigabyte of data used that exceeds 2 gigabyte. So, meaning exceeds here, the word exceeds tells you if you go over 2 gigabyte, it's fine, just use it. We are going to just charge you $12 for every gigabyte that you use after the 2 gigabyte you pay every month. Now, the question here is find the amount of money that the customer will be charged if he uses a monthly data of 3 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte, and 8 gigabyte. So, what are we going to do? So, this is just like a simple understanding about our information right now. So let's say for example you have 3 gigabyte. So the first 2 gigabyte there, you're going to pay it for your plan, $30. Now since you used up 3 gigabyte, you need to pay for extra 1 gigabyte, and that will cost you $12. Okay, so this one will have a total of 3 gigabyte, and this will be a total cost of $42. Okay, next 5 gigabyte. So this one is finished. Now we are on 5 gigabyte. So if it's 5 gigabyte, first your original plan 2 gigabyte, so that will be $30, but you used up extra of 3 gigabyte, so that's going to be $36. Teacher, where does it come from? So again, you used up 3 extra gigabyte, and that is $12 each. So that is where your 36 comes from. So total will become 5 gigabyte, which is the question, and you pay $66. All right. Now, okay, so now the last one is 8 gigabytes. So again, just do the same. That's a simple thing. So $30, and this is 6 gigabyte extra, and that is going to be 72. Where does it come from? Again, 6 extra times 12 is your 72. So that is going to give you a total of 8 gigabyte, but you pay $102. So 3 is 42, 66, and 102. There we go. Alright, so number 1 is done, number 2 is done, number 3 it's graphing, so don't you use it, don't do it. But number 4, write down the equation of the straight line for x, which is greater than 2. How much will the customer be charged if he uses a monthly data of 7 gigabyte and 13 gigabyte? So this one, girls, these two numbers will be in your Google Classroom. I'm going to post it there, and I'm going to put a deadline about it. So please make sure that you answer it. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.